Hello again, all you Toyota lovers in cartoon form. We have ChoroQ Zero, and it's a Toyota Soarer 2800 GT. So this is what the second ChoroQ ever, 02A. Interesting. Okay, let's get this out of the box. Oh, my bad. Thing might, I don't know if it's new or not, but someone taped the top of it down for some reason. Oh, shipping. Okay. Alright, well, blister, yeah, I guess this is new because it's still taped together. I actually have a review of this car in 1/64 scale form if you want to search my channel for that. Okay, I think this image is what we're going for. I might be wrong, but looking at the squareness of the front end, seems like it might be it. It's a two-door. Here's a foreshortening view. Alrighty, and then the rear view. It's got 2-bar taillights, so I think that's supposed to be it. Although this one has different wheels. Okay, let's see what other details we have on here. So first thing is the paint job is pretty cool. It's a gold metallic up top and it's just a plain brown on the bottom. And it is painted nicely. They even got the black rubber molding there. But look at this tire. Ooh, that's gross. Let me get a rag. So I don't like how these ChoroQ Zeros have a different rubber than the old ChoroQs. These Zeros all have this rubber that seems to emit oil, and then I think they harden and they're gonna crack one day. Whereas the older ChoroQs, the tires I think are made of like silicone, where they don't emit oil and they never seem to get hard. So it's unfortunate, but ChoroQ Zeros, even though they're the most expensive ChoroQs I think of all time, they have an inferior tire technology or inferior tire material. Okay, sorry, I don't want to get any of this oil on the paint. I'm afraid it might actually deteriorate the paint, so that's why I'm being really careful cleaning this off. Alright, so I might have to give that an additional cleaning after this review. Alright, so we got the nastiness of the tires taken out of the way. I've seen these wheels before. They're okay, I guess. At least they kind of match the body. Alright, what is nice is this thing actually has mirrors. This could be my very first ChoroQ that has mirrors on it. Well, ChoroQ Zero that has mirrors on it. Most of the ChoroQ Zeros give you mirrors, but you have to glue them on yourself. So, well, that's nice. I'm going to assume it's actually literally part of the same casting as the window frame, so it shouldn't break off. So that's good. The door handle has some dimensionality, and it's painted silver. There's a little black here. I see that on the real photo too. It's like ridges on the real photo. Can't see through those windows, but I can see through the bottom, so it is translucent. You can see the bottom there. Alright, front end, nice grille texture. I think that's the Soarer logo. Maybe it's a bird. Orange markers. Unfortunately, no black paint here to the radiator. This side, it just has the feel for a door. And then the taillights are nice because you have good color separation and this tiny black line separating everything. There's a little silver exhaust tip that's part of the base, I'm imagining. Yep. So when is number 2 made? That's a joke right there. 2011, the 8th month of 2011. So 10 years old now. And you saw what happened to the tires. So it's a little concerning. Yeah, it's not a very soft tire. It feels quite hard. It's still rubbery. You can tell it's rubber, but it's not soft. So that really bothers me. And this is another rare ChoroQ where there's 2 screws holding the base together. Usually there's a tab system back here. So maybe they're experimenting with this line because this is only number 2. Alright, there's some silver paint here I didn't notice before around the window trim. It's on the side windows though, only on the windshield is silver in the back glass. Nice little ribs here, and these little corner markers look pretty good. So it's not bad. Truthfully, I'm not sure why ChoroQ would have chosen this to be their very second Zero model, but they did. Maybe someone at the company owns this car. Probably the president of the company. Okay. Well, I mentioned I have a 1/64 scale that I reviewed a while back. It's made by Konami, and here it is. I have a sticker on the bottom saying this is from 1981, this car. Konami's nice. I mean, it's got a white and black interior, and I think these things have suspension. No, this one doesn't. My bad, it doesn't. Okay, well, hopefully you can see the similarities there. I can see some similarities for sure. Okay, let's get this out. Let's pull up a few other cars that may have been competing with this thing. So I have this Nissan Gloria. I think this would be, well, the Gloria this is a 4-door, so maybe that's not the best example. I just don't have many old coupes. This is even bigger in real life. It's a Nissan President, and it's got 3D printed wheels. This one I just painted the wheels in with some black. And the last one is a Toyota Crown Athlete, and I painted those wheels a little bit black as well. So all 4 of these are ChoroQ Zeros. So this is ChoroQ Zero number 44, so several ways down, and so it has nice molded wheels, much nicer than this one. And then this is Zero number 24, but it still has really nice wheels, as you can see, compared to this gold one. Obviously 3D printed wheels are even nicer, but you gotta pay for that sort of stuff. Alright, well, that's enough for the comparisons. What is nice, again, is the thing has mirrors. Pretty cool. Makes it more realistic, I think. Alright, let's get old Ben Kenobi to spin with this guy. Since it looks like an old man's car. What do you think? I don't think, like, teenagers are driving this unless they stole it from their parents for the day. Alright, well, anyways, we'll continue to get some more ChoroQ Zeros, and I guess I'll see you that next time that happens.